Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic, because I gotta say, this thing is fantastic. This dolly that this brand sent to me for this video, which is extensible, which it also comes with a basket, and it also supports 500 pounds. This thing is a beast. It has a fantastic grip, like a rubber pad grip. It also is, check this out, extensible right here, so you can use it better while walking, and also is extensible right here on the bottom part, making it to be a total beast for transporting big boxes or big things when you're moving. Something that I was not expecting this one, if you kind of like put your feet down here, I think it was just like this, if I'm not mistaken. Check it out. It has kind of like a nice and storage position, so you can put it like this, and then when you're done and you need it back again, you just like click it right there, and this one is gonna be all done. Again, the 500 pounds making to be even better, because this thing won't budge for something that is gonna be really heavy. There is kind of like a small assemble that you need to do. You gotta put the wheels down here at the bottom. It comes with the tool that you're gonna need, but it's gonna take you 10 minutes, no more than that. Just make sure that you put the fixed wheels up in the front and all the other ones that rotates on the other 4 sections, so you can actually maneuver like this. By the way, the bottom ones or the back ones, actually, let me do this because they're kind of like strong, they come with a lock, so this thing won't move. And talking about moving, check this out. It comes with a basket with a strap, so with this strap you're gonna be able to put the basket in a kind of like secure place up here. But this basket also comes with a hardcover lid, so with the hardcover lid with the velcro everywhere, you can put things inside and just take it to go, like take it with you. Actually, it has the locks, that's why it's not moving, so I'm gonna actually take the locks out, and this one will move perfectly, as you can see. Super smooth with or without the kind of like actually basket right here. But of course, having the lid is also really beneficial. I think this thing for moving equipment or moving into a new house or moving groceries or something like that in the trunk of your car, it is super convenient to have, and of course it works fantastically.